In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your iMovie into an MP4. So really quick and really easily, it actually by default exports all of your files into an MP4 format. So you would just click your video, make sure you have all of your edits in, and go to the top right corner where the share button is, and you would go to export file, and here you could change the resolution. You can change the format if you want video or audio, but it really is just going to, by default, export your video into a MP4 readable format, meaning video and audio. So with iMovie, it's pretty simplistic, pretty basic, and it does what you need it to do. And an MP4 is a very general type of video file that will work on multiple platforms, multiple types of computers, and it's an accepted format for all kinds of different devices. So with that said, I hope you guys found this useful, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more easy tips on your iMovies.